Suppose we start from left hand side. What we are going to prove? De Morgan's law. There are two De Morgan's law. I am going to prove first one. So let's start from left hand side. Let X belongs to A union B complement. A union B complement means X does not belongs to A union B. Okay. X does not belongs to A union B means X does not belongs to A or X does not belongs to B. Therefore, you can say X belongs to A complement and X belongs to B complement. When you combine these two things, you will get what? X belongs to A and B complement. So this is what? This is a subset of A complement intersection B. This is first left hand side. We reach to right hand side. Now we will uh, start from right hand side. Let X belongs to A intersection B complement. So X belongs to A complement and X belongs to B complement. A complement means X does not belongs to A or X does not belongs to B. Both are what? Both are not belongs to. So when you take common, X belongs to A or B means X A union B. Does not belongs to means complement. X belongs to A union B complement. So this is what? This is a subset of right hand side, left hand side. So A intersection B intersection is a subset of A union B intersection. So from first and second, we can say that A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. So for proving this identity, we have to prove first left hand side. We have to show that left hand side is a subset of right hand side, and then right hand side is a subset of left hand side. If both are subset of each other, then we can say both are equal. So this is our required proof.
Yeah.
Let suppose we start from left hand side. Okay, so starting from left hand side, let X belongs to A intersection B complement. A intersection B complement means X does not belongs to A intersection B. So X does not belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. It means that X belongs to A complement or X belongs to B complement. When you combine these two terms, you will get X belongs to A union B. That's so. Therefore, you can say A intersection B complement is a subset of A complement union B complement. This is our first uh, first subset of this. Now we will prove from right hand side. Let X belongs to A complement union B complement. X belongs to A complement or X belongs to B complement. Complement means what? If X belongs to A complement, it means that X does not belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. So in both the terms, X does not belongs to each common. So you can take X belongs to A and B, where and is represented by what? Intersection. So you can write A intersection B. Does not belongs to means X belongs to A intersection B complement. So you started from right hand side and you get identity of left hand side. Therefore, you can write A intersection union B intersection is a subset of A intersection B complement. This is our second identity. So from first and second, we can say that A intersection B complement is A complement union B complement. This is our required proof. Okay.